morning, guys. It's quarter to 8 in the morning, Saturday, and guess where we're going? We are on our way to the Kloof hiking trail. Don't ask me why we're starting this late. We're probably gonna get there by 8 and start hiking, around about that time. My advice to you is start as early as possible, because as you can see, the sun is already out. But I guess we will make it. We definitely will make it. So it's 10 past. It's 10 past 8, and we have arrived at the venue. It says here parking this side. This side. I think you can drop us this side. Look how packed it is. Are you guys ready for the hike? Ladies? Ladies? Are you guys ready for the hike? Ready? Okay. We're gonna go look at the map and start our journey. Hey guys, so we are just gonna start now with our hiking, and so far we've decided that we're gonna go with the blue trail. So the blue arrow, go in this direction. Let's go. Okay, the snack for the road, we have a Powerade, a banana, energy bar, and an orange. We have just started with our trail, and we're looking forward to see what we're gonna find as we continue our journey. Moody, it's so slippery. Yeah. Quite steep here, and we're just following the arrows. I love the people that I came with behind the birds, but as long as I can still see them, we keep on moving. Oh, so it says here you have 3 kilometers to go, and that's for us. We are almost done, guys. Can you believe it? 3 kilometers to go. I'm so happy. We have 3 more kilometers to go. It wasn't bad. If you only left with 3 kilometers, it wasn't bad. Just that, as you can hear that we're breathing. Oh, I can't even speak. We're breathing heavily, but it's not that bad, eh? What? That was escape route. He's excited that we have 1 kilometers to go. Oh, focus. Yeah, we have 1 kilometers to go, and we will be done. Okay, you want a picture, ne? Just like that, we are done. We started around 8:30, and it's almost 11 o'clock now. So indeed, the 12 kilometers trail can take you 3 hours. I think that's the average. So in terms of rating this hiking trail, specifically the 12 kilometers one, it's quite easy. Okay, they should remove their moderate ranking on their side, because this was easy. And the entrance fee is 50 rands. The markings are awesome, great. So out of 10, I give it 8 in terms of the markings, how well maintained it is. But in terms of how intense it is, it's not intense at all. So out of 5, I'll give it a 1.5. Yeah. But how was the trail or the hiking overall? She's saying it was difficult for those that are not South Africans.
It was very hard.
We made it, ne?
We made it.